All right,
It was 44.
MMTs. All right, Mr. Goalie, it's 5 minutes to the closing bell. And we've been trying to offer out. We got out at $5.30.
740.
Nasdaq selling on the ask.
Nasdaq is selling on the ask. All right, then I'll tell you what. Keep the 530 out. Take this back to 7. Take it up to 780. But he's not sliding the bid on Google yet. He's still printing above it. You can see it. You can see it. The bid and the ask. So he's got to slide that bid. Here's this rebar coming up behind it. 690 by 720.
It's low for now, but it's still weak.
Yes, Apple's making lower lows. And this one here, they're trying to hold it up.
You're at the high of the day, 100% on the VXN.
Right now, you're
They
down
just slid the bid 60 cents on Google.
60 pennies. All right, you're on the ask. On what? You're out? Tell me your
No, I'm
limit.
out to sell at 780 now.
All right, 780 in case you break it, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and that's going into the last 4 minutes of the close, right?
Right.
4 minutes left.
All right, well, we can see one thing. He's got to cross the bid, and we can see right here where my pointer is, the 3-bar and the SMF market maker platform. That means that this side's got to get in front of here, and I got to sell that down real quick and break this lows here going into the close like they did with Apple. Apple shorts are working wonderful.
Nasdaq's bid popping.
This Google short's being stubborn.
Google's bid popping.
Yeah, because they're using Google. So they use that, and it pops up the Nasdaq, and let's take a look at it. Here it is right here. See, we can see how they do it. They're using Google to do it, to tie it to the futures.
Sellers trying to get back in, but bid popping came right in as soon as some sellers came in on that Nasdaq.
Yeah, well, it was Google that popped the Nasdaq. Nasdaq 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's this chart right here is where you had your 3 minutes. And you came right up off of these lows right here.
Selling on the indexes.
See? So
Sliding on Google.
there's your
604.
Nasdaq 100. And you got to slide it all right. So here's
730 on the ask.
All right, Nasdaq 100's got to break that support level. And you just got to get up to 530 exit. All right? And this here has got to keep going up in value, and they got to
3
cross
minutes.
the bid and ask over here. Let's take a look at the Google chart. Google 3 minute market maker. Are you ready? MMT.
Oh, they just slid it.
Tell me, MMT. What do you mean they slid it? Oh, you got it.
740
All
on the
right.
ask.
Well,
730
okay.
printed.
Tell me the orders that you're limiting out on these puts.
780.
780, all right, and 530 over here.
530.
All right, we got 3 minutes to the closing bell to get that bar down. This is live right now, right here, right now. And we got to cross that bid's got to disappear, get another big red bar going that direction, take that price up on that 605 put to our exit at $7.80. And we already sold a bunch of the 600s.
Nasdaq starting to sell off again.
We already sold a bunch of the 600s at $5.30.
Spy selling.
All right, well, maybe we get hit. This hasn't crossed.
NDX comp selling.
You're
On
still,
that 600 put, we had some big block trades, 144, 75, and 11 at
Right.
491 and 92.
yeah.
That's that market maker print.
That's right. That's the market maker print, and I know who it is. Here, you
Index
got
is
to break
selling.
this low right now.
2 minutes.
2 minutes to the closing
There,
bell.
some selling hitting the Nasdaq
Index
100.
is selling. 100 on the VIX-N.
All right, they got to sell that Google down very quickly now. Going
1
right
minute.
in. This is
NDX at 7.
There we go. They're selling Apple.
Well, they're not selling Google,
Apple made a new low.
but they're not selling this one.
No, and they keep doing little shimmies in there to hold that low on Apple, too.
1 minute.
All right, here, let's take a look at the Google chart again.
Apple's selling.
But
Yeah,
this is
Nasdaq
the one
100
that has
selling.
to sell, Mr. Plain.
I know, and it's
And
not.
and it has to sell. We got 1 minute to the close. If it's going to do
Less
it's
than a
going to
minute.
do it now. These
Oh,
are
they're
great.
selling the indexes down. Come on.
The
Yeah, they
freaking
are.
prop. This one at that 604.
Yeah, but now watch them. They're taking all the 604s out on the print. Look at that closing print. See? Somebody's got to take it all. Now they got to take it all and then whack them.
There's the bell.
There's the bell. There's the bell.
And we're closed.
And we're closed. Wow. Someone sold 194,000 shares of it at 604. All right. So we did good, team. We got out here at 5:30. We're holding good, positive here. These are making money. And we'll look for a gap down, I hope, in the morning. And we'll conclude how we reduce the risk 100% to square the positions for profitability, as they already are.